Hi friends, I'm in Jamaica, sitting in my grandmother's room, and I just wanted to show you what's in here that I think you guys would really like. And the room looks exactly the way it used to look when she was alive. And in the room is this lovely Singer sewing machine. It belongs to my stepmother. It's lovely. I remember sewing on this machine when I was a teenager and young adult. I don't know what the model is. I don't see any indication of a model number. But if you know what it is, please tell me. It is very old. It's very old, but it's beautiful. Look at that. It's just lovely. I'm really grateful to be here, to be supporting my family, and I really love that machine. Do you know what the model number is? Do you know what the brand? It's Singer, but what's the, what's the model? Let me know if you know. Have a great day. Be kind, walk good. More to come.